Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, Tech Geek is all about latest tech and gadgets. Today we have another affordable smartwatch with so many great options that can be very useful for your daily lifestyle. This is UMIDIGI URUN Smartwatch review. Product link is in the description below, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, it came inside this plain white cardboard packaging. In terms of the unboxing experience, you will get the watch itself on the top, printed instruction guide, and last magnetic USB charging cable. Let's get into the design, build quality and the look. Now on the front we have 44mm dial diameter and 12.9mm dial thickness. It is weighed about 39 grams. Watch case is made out from aluminium alloy for long last use. You get 1.1 inches round TFT Colour LCD screen with 240 by 240 pixel resolutions. Furthermore, it is not an edge-to-edge display, however you can control the brightness level as well as screen timeout. It can be perfectly read in any lighting conditions, and touch response is decent but not the super smooth. The screen made out from tempered glass with anti-fingerprint coating for durable use. Two buttons on the right side, together with touchscreen, allows navigation much easier between functions. Back of the watch you will find the optical heart rate sensor and magnetic charging connector. Watch strap is very flexible and it is about 22mm in size. An adjustable strap covers my wrist nicely, and also a lot left over, so should be fine for bigger wrists as well. Straps can be easily removable and you can purchase different colors thanks to the standard dimensions. It is comfortable to wear and can be used for longer period. The one I got is icy white, but it is available in space grey, rose gold, titanium grey and ocean green. Furthermore, the buckle made from metal, you can see the UMIDIGI name on it. You can enable it up to show the watch face when raising up the wrist. This watch has 280 mAh rechargeable battery inbuilt. That gives you about 40 days of standby time and about 10 days of battery life in daily use. However, it takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. You can swipe the screen to enter the different interfaces. As an example, swipe down will bring you the shortcut interface that will allow you to customize the watch quickly and easily. Having said that, this watch comes with 4 different preloaded watch faces. Furthermore, you can see your step count, heart rate among the time, and you can simply switch between watch faces by long pressing on the display. Watch is 5 ATM waterproof, so it can go up to 50 meters, which means it can withstand all your daily activities, and you can also wear it while swimming. This watch comes with heart rate sensor, blood oxygen level sensor, blood pressure sensor and sleep tracker, which shows deep sleep, light sleep, so you can get an idea to improve your sleep quality. Well, this watch connects over Bluetooth 5.0 and setting up with my iPhone is pretty straightforward. Simply scan the QR code and download the Smart app, which is available in both iOS and Android app stores. Once it's installed, you can create your own personal profile following the on-screen instructions. Then you can pair the new device over the Bluetooth. Then the data sync will start over between two devices. Furthermore, you can update the software using the app. Once it's completely synced, you can check all your activity data like step count, calorie count, sleep tracking and heart rate data, and your workout and exercise data through the app. Furthermore, you can sync with third-party apps like Strava and Apple Health app. This watch comes with 17 different sports modes like running, hiking, climbing and cycling. However, thanks to the inbuilt GPS and dual satellite positioning system, it can track where you run and get accurate distance and pace. Furthermore, it will detect body movement and monitor real-time heart rate measure, calorie burn when doing exercise. However, you can customize how you want to perform your activity like target distance, amount of calories you want to burn. Furthermore, this watch will vibrate to remind of incoming calls, SMS, emails and social media apps like WhatsApp and Facebook. You can choose which app that you want to send the notification to the watch. Apart from above features mentioned earlier, this watch has a flashlight. which means the screen turns into complete white color. Also you get weather app, a digital compass, find phone option, an alarm clock, camera remote shutter and last music controller. Having said that, overall I think the quality and the functionality of this watch is well worth and it is still in the budget range. This is perfect for someone who looking for simple design but still can help to improve a healthy lifestyle for affordable price. So with all that being said, many thanks to UMIDIGI for sending this out for review. And if you like the video, let me know in the comment section below as I can do more budget friendly reviews like these. Also hit the like button if you like it and please do subscribe for more videos like these and we'll see you again with another review.